Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. This segment showcases real-world flight footage captured by the Skydroid C11 gimbal. The C11 is a compact HD 3-axis gimbal equipped with a new generation image processing chip and a high-definition, distortion-free lens, delivering clear and natural visuals during flight. The gimbal features 8 megapixels effective resolution and supports 4K video recording and photo capture, allowing it to reliably record fine details in applications such as aerial photography and inspections. It also supports 30 digital zoom, making distant targets clearer while maintaining practical image usability. The C11 adopts an industrial-grade 3-axis stabilization structure, effectively suppressing image shake during flight, acceleration, and attitude changes, ensuring smooth and stable footage. With its compact design, the C11 can be mounted on platforms of various sizes, meeting installation requirements across different operational scenarios. That concludes the Skydroid C11 flight footage demonstration. Thank you for watching. This is the World Drone Market channel. Thank you for watching. If there's more content you'd like to see, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and usage guides. See you in the next video.